ChatGTP versus pet owners. Episode 2. Cat owners. Well, let's be honest. You don't own a cat. You're a roommate who pays rent and still isn't respected. Roasted. Cat owners love saying, cats are just misunderstood. No, they're not. They understood you perfectly. They just don't care. You call your cat's name 10 times and it won't even turn its head. Roasted. But the moment you sit down with food, suddenly it's a philosopher questioning your life choices. You say your cat is independent. That's a nice way of saying it's emotionally ghosted you for years. Roasted. Your cat doesn't come when you call it. It appears when it feels like asserting dominance. Roasted. You'll spend money on toys, beds, fancy food, and your cat will sleep in a box and eat a houseplant like it's revenge. Roasted. You don't train cats. You negotiate with them. Roasted. And you always lose. Roasted. You'll excuse everything. Oh, that's just their personality. No, it's called contempt. Your cat watches you cry like it's a background noise. Roasted. I'm Steve Obo. This is ChatGTPcomedy.ai. Quick disclaimer before the comments gets claws out. This is comedy. It's AI. And if this feels personal, your cat already judges you. Roasted. One good truth so nobody gets too touchy. Cat owners are patient, calm, and emotionally intelligent. You learn boundaries from an animal that refuses affection on a schedule. That's called growth. Roasted. And if this made you laugh, like it, share it, comment. My cat hates me. Follow and subscribe because the next episode is bird owners. Doom, doom, doom. And they think their pets are people. Happy Sunday.